Hi, welcome to Market Master. Today I'm going to talk about stock market workshops. Every week you can find some stock market workshop going on every port of cities. Thank God, due to lockdown, we didn't find any workshops in last few months. Even though you can find a lots of online webinars. In this 1 to 2 days workshop, really worth it? Yes, it is worth it, but how much? I will give you an example. Let's assume you want to become a good singer like SPB, Rafi, Yesudas, Kishore, or anyone, legendary singer, any legendary singer you want. Then one day you come to know a music event going on in your city. SPB will come and sing in front of the people who bought the tickets for the musical event. Then you will buy a ticket and watch entire show. How much you learn the music after the show? The answer is same for 1 to 2 days workshop. It takes decades of hard work for SPB to become what he is now. If you want to expect that in few days, it is highly impossible. Even SPB comes and teach for 1 year, he won't become like him. A successful trader never discloses all the strategies what he follows. These all workshops are real scams. The trainer himself knows you won't become successful trader by attending his workshop. Of course, you will feel you learned something big and you can earn big, but practically it is highly impossible. I know most people losing big after a few workshops attends. If you don't believe, come to me. I will make you believe you can earn at least 3 times of your capital and every month. 3 times of your capital, 300% returns every month with couple of strategies, simple strategies. I will show you the last 10 years supporting data for that, how you can achieve this. Of course, for that I will charge 50k as my fees. 50k is too small, is it? To teach how can you make 3 times of your capital every month. So you can easily pay 50,000. But post the workshop, I'm not responsible for your results. This is the workshops, friends. Trading is 90% psychology and 10% is strategy, technicals, at whatever you can call. But people are focusing only improve that 10% and ignoring that 90% psychology. When your psychology is in poor condition, you won't follow proper risk management and even you won't follow your own rules. I will show you the limitation of technicals and strategies. Let's assume there is a one best trader in India. He conduct a workshop with nominal fee. Hence, all traders in India attending his online webinar training. From next day onwards, so of course, after attending his webinar, he teaches some simple strategies. Everyone learned the strategies. All traders who are trading in India. From next day onwards, every trader following his system. His system suggests next day buy Nifty future at 9059. So every trader in India want to buy at 9059. Yes, there is no sellers, so you cannot buy it. Again, his system suggesting to sell at 8976. The same problem. Everyone is in sell side because everyone is following the same successful strategy. So there is no bias. So your sell is not going to execute. This is the limitation of technicals and strategies. Most people following the same successful strategy, that is not going to be successful strategy for long time. Hence we have to change or modify the strategy or technicals and time. If you are really know some strategy and it is giving good returns, just follow the rules.
Just follow the strategy and don't discuss or disclose to others for some time. That is only successful trader do. And about options selling workshop, only real fool can attend that workshop by paying 25k to 50k for 2 days option selling workshops. That strategies can learn with 10 minutes if you know some basics. Of course, to adapt it will take a few months. You cannot learn in the 2 days the workshop also. Regarding option selling, I may make a video soon. You can, if you are interested, you can follow if you are looking to how to do option sellings. What we can conclude with this, one should practice and learn and find which is suits, which strategy suits, which what is it instrument is suits for you. You have to follow that. Don't copy others, you won't learn anything from that. Yes, you can listen all and just listen it, don't follow blindly to anyone. If you think it is not possible for you, just leave the market and live peaceful life. Okay friend, this is for the today. Let's meet again. Bye for now.